Fun with colors! Hello friends, let's draw a beautiful butterfly. This is her cute little face. She has two tiny hands. She looks so pretty. She has got 4 little cute wings. With the wings, she can fly up high in the sky. Have you ever seen a colorful butterfly flying in the garden? Wow, she's ready. She looks so beautiful. Let's color. Let's learn some colors while we are coloring our butterfly. This is pink color. Her face looks so pink. Wow, this is orange color. I love orange color. This is green color. Let's color her hands pink. Do you love red color? Let's put some red color in her dress. Her dress has got so many different colors. And now let's put some yellow too. Do you see her 2 little feet at the bottom? Let's color her feet. The 2 little feet, let's color them with color pink. And the wings, let's start coloring them. This is green color. Do you see she's smiling at us? This is green color, and let's color the wings with another shade of green. This is light green, the parrot green color. This is a bright yellow color. I love yellow color. Now let's put some orange color in her wings. She's such a colorful butterfly. She's so happy that she's being colored. Do you love butterflies? Wow! Both the wings on the down are colored. Now let's color her upper wings, the two wings on the top. Let's put some pink color in the upper wing. And here comes some blue color. Let's put some yellow color too. And let's put some orange color in the wing. Our coloring is finished. Butterfly is ready to fly.